how about Elena? Elena? Very good. Help. Help. Right? So if I had time, I would help you. So we have the if, we have the simple past, had, we have the would, right? Here's the would. And then the base form, help. So if I had time, I would help you. And so that's the structure of the second conditional. If I had time, I would help you. If I won the lottery, I would buy a boat, like we said before, right? If I won the lottery, I would buy a house. So, imaginary situation, and then the consequence or the result, right? So, does everyone understand that? Any questions? Okay, good. So, what I want to do now is I'd like to move on to the next, we will do a worksheet and go over this. After I just mentioned one more thing to you guys. So, would. The verb would. Would you say that is that certain? You must. Is it more certain? Yes, right? I would. Now, there is another verb that we can use here that I want to tell you about. Okay? And so that verb is could or couldn't. Couldn't, right? We remember this? Can, could, be able to, right, from last week? So, could would be less certain. Less certain. So, if we said, if I had time, I could help you. What does that mean? Yes, Natalia. Right, so it's possible. Exactly, it's possible. Do we remember going over that last week? Can, could, be able to, right? So it's less certain than the verb would. It's less certain than would, sorry. It's less certain than would, right? So, if I said, if I had time, I could help you, that means, well, maybe I will, maybe I will not. It's not certain. It's a maybe. It's possibly. You can, but you can't, right? So, that is the only other thing that I wanted to cover to talk about with the structure today. And so now we will move on to the worksheet here that I have for you guys, okay? So I'm going to pass this out, and you guys can do this in pairs. This is a pair work exercise, okay? So I'm going to pass this out, and then I'm going to go over the example at the top with everyone, okay?